From Here to Infinity, A Guide to Today's Mathematics, a 1996 book by mathematician and science popularizer Ian Stewart, is a guide to modern mathematics for the general reader. It aims to answer questions such as what is mathematics, what is it for, and what are mathematicians doing nowadays. Author Simon Singh describes it as an interesting and accessible account of current mathematical topics. Summary. After an introductory chapter, The Nature of Mathematics, Stewart devotes each of the following 18 chapters to an exposition of a particular problem that has given rise to new mathematics or an area of research in modern mathematics. Chapter 2, The Price of Primality, Primality Tests and Integer Factorization. Chapter 3, Marginal Interest, Fermat's Last Theorem. Chapter 4, Parallel Thinking, Non-Euclidean Geometry. Chapter 5, The Miraculous Jar, Cantor's Theorem and Cardinal Numbers. Chapter 6, Ghosts of Departed Quantities, Calculus and Non-Standard Analysis. Chapter 7, The Dualist and the Monster, The Classification of Finite Simple Groups. Chapter 8, The Purple Wallflower, The Four-Color Theorem. Chapter 9, Much Ado About Nothing, Topology and the Poincare Conjecture. Chapter 10, More Ado About Nothing, Not Polynomials. Chapter 11, Square Rooting the Unsquare-Rootable, Complex Numbers and the Riemann Hypothesis. Chapter 12, Squaring the Unsquarable, the Banach-Tarski Paradox. Chapter 13, Strumpet Fortune, Probability and Random Walks. Chapter 14, The Mathematics of Nature, the Stability of the Solar System. Chapter 15, The Patterns of Chaos, Chaos Theory and Strange Attractors. Chapter 16, The 2.5 Dimension, Fractals. Chapter 17, Dixit Algorithmi, Algorithms and NP-complete Problems. Chapter 18, The Limits of Computability, Turing Machines and Computable Numbers. Chapter 19, The Ultimate in Technology Transfer, Experimental Mathematics and the Relationship between Mathematics and Science. Additions. Important advances in mathematics necessitated revisions of the book. For example, when the first edition came out, Fermat's Last Theorem was still an open problem. By the third edition, it has been solved by Andrew Wiles. Other revised topics include Tarski circle squaring problem, Carmichael numbers, and the Kepler problem. First edition, 1987, published under the title The Problems of Mathematics. Second edition, 1992. Retitled Revised Edition, 1996. References.